Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Hey, do you hate your neighbor? Do you want to hide your neighbor's house, yard, RV, tool shed, ugly dogs, hide all that stuff? Plant some privet. Privet, waxleaf privet, Japanese privet, Texas privet, lots of different names, a few different varieties. It is a big, tough green shrub. Will get about 8 feet tall, nice and dense. Looks best if you don't prune it. Now you can prune it, I'll show you that in a second, but if you just let it be, it gets a good 8 feet tall, really great dense green. In the springtime it has these wonderful white flowers. They're wonderfully fragrant, and bees just love it because they have those kind of flowers that bees really love. Now you can prune it. Like I said, a lot of people use it in commercial landscapes for a dense hedge to hide stuff. You can prune it. Good for about a 4 to 6 foot pruned hedge as well. But I always encourage folks, if you want something big, just plant some privet. It'll get about 8 feet tall. And again, nice, dense green, really low maintenance, not a lot of things bother it. Now, one disclaimer I do need to offer though, those white flowers do become little bitty berries, and those berries can be toxic to dogs. So if you have dogs that tend to eat a lot of stuff, then you want to use something else like a podocarpus hedge instead. But if you don't have that problem and you just want a dense, easy to grow hedge, get some privet. Well, that's it. That's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.